Hello and welcome to SAP TechEd Bangalore 2016. I'm Nitish Agrawal and I lead Startup Focus program in Asia Pacific and Japan. As a program, what we do is we engage with startups in the B2B space, help them in the development journey, and then validate the solutions and make them successful in the go-to-market phase. Today I'm joined by two such startups here, Shriram Kanuri, who is the CEO of Arteria Technologies, and Arvind Saxena, who is the co-founder of Omni Healthcare Solutions. So gentlemen, welcome to TechEd Bangalore.
Thank you, Nitish.
So great. Let me stay with you and talk a little bit more about the solution that you have developed
Sure.
with the Startup Focus program.
Sure.
Give us a wider context as to what you're trying to achieve and what you have developed so far.
Got it. So we are developing a smart home for the elder care. Before jumping into the solution, let me just set a little bit of a context here. As you know, the life expectancy has increased, in India, which is a good thing due to advancement in life sciences, and the death rate is falling. If you look at the numbers, by 2050, there's going to be a 700% increase in people over 80 years. So we are seeing a trend which is developing in India where the country is aging faster. And there's a lot of need for that to take care of our elders, and a lot of parenting and elder issues are coming up because of that. On the other hand, due to this rapid urbanization, which the whole smart cities premise is based on, the double income families are on the rise, and this is clearly creating a vacuum in parenting and elder care. So we're trying to solve that pain point and need.
Excellent.
Where we're developing a smart home for the elderly, which is basically a very innovative, predictive healthcare solution with capabilities like remote monitoring, remote alerting, and that solves very critical healthcare issues like safety, elder abuse, isolation, helplessness, and quality care. So we do it via a smart home app, mobile app, which is connected to your smart home, which is again connected, which has a network of sensors and IoT devices, which are embedded in, say your smart home, your smart bed, your smart doors, smart bathroom, and smart kitchen. And then we collect all the data, do actionable insights, and give real-time monitoring, real-time alerts.
Great.
So that's
Awesome.
it.
Awesome. Healthcare is such a strategic initiative for the Indian government and all the big enterprises, and it is on top of the agenda of Mr. Bill McDermott as well.
Sure.
Coming back to you, Arvind, tell us more about your experience with the Startup Focus program, and in a slightly larger context, how do you think it can help the startup ecosystem in India?
Sure. So again, with Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi's Make in India initiative, and combined with the 100 Smart Cities program that he has announced and also probably funded a few, this, together with the continued efforts of the top brass in the country like Mr. Naidu, this has created a very positive environment especially for the international investor in the community and global industry leaders like SAP to come in and invest in India. And also the SAP Focus program, which is I believe it's a brilliant move, and that has facilitated this entire ecosystem, and that actually attracts startups like us to sort of come out and to participate in the program and really build world-class solutions and bring out the best innovations out there. So I believe with the collaboration between the AP government, SAP, and Omni Healthcare Solutions, this could be a very powerful team and could really foster the entire ecosystem and address some real important issues and develop technologies that cater to the smart cities market in India.
Thanks for that, Arvind. And in fact, for the benefit of our viewers, I must tell that recently SAP Startup Focus program has collaborated with the government of Andhra Pradesh to foster innovation. And Omni Healthcare is one such a startup that got into that cohort. And it's great to see the solution being built in record time, a few weeks itself. So coming to that, and Arvind, your message to the young entrepreneurs.
Sure. So I mean, I lost my father to cancer,
Sad to hear that.
and so back then I was in US, and then of course he was fighting for his life in Bombay. I truly believe, I mean, if I had this remote monitoring system back then, which could really give me timely alerts, and so that I could prevent actually predict and prevent certain mishaps and get a real-time insight into his health and well-being, I would have saved his life. So, so we at Omni Healthcare Solutions are really have become passionate about healthcare, and so my message to the entrepreneurs out there is just be passionate about your cause, whatever your cause is, and just invest your time and energy into solving a real world problem out there, right? And
Great.
finally, stay fit and eat right.
Great. That's a great message, Arvind. I think that's all the time we have today. Thanks for your messages. And the message to the startup community in general is be passionate, go for it. SAP is there to help you if there is a good match between your solution idea and our platform. That's it from TechEd Live. This is your host signing off. Thank you.